only flag in the world that don't have any of those three colors, red, white, and blue. We don't do nothing on a normal level. We don't follow nobody. We lick about with talawa. Even our very anthem is a prayer.
Guys, welcome to my channel once again. Olympic season is here and everyone will be waving the Jamaican flag. The Jamaican flag having gold, green, and black colors. This video, I'm gonna explain what those colors mean, and there's a some secret symbols that are in the flag that you didn't know about. There's this video of Our Lady from Jamaica. I want you to listen to her before I tell you more about the Jamaican flag.
You see this flag? Pay attention to the flag. You see the black in the flag? The black represent the strength, creativity, and the determination of our people. Paris, pay attention, we're determined, we're coming. The gold represent the wealth of our country and the beautiful golden sunshine. You see the green? The green represent hope, vegetation, and the lush green agriculture of our country. You see the flag? Pay attention. This is the only flag in the world that don't have none of the color of red, white, or blue. The only flag in the world that don't have any of those three colors, red, white, or blue. We don't do nothing on a normal level. We don't follow nobody. We lick about with talawa. Even our very anthem is a prayer. And our anthem says, Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hands. Keep us free from evil powers, be our light through countless hours. Jamaica, the land of beauty. Jamaica, land we love. Look at us now, the world have to stand and take attention. They have to stand at attention and pay attention to us. As small as our island is, we name big. You understand? People are take, we dance, we talk, we walk, we rock. We go up on TikTok, you see everybody a dance. Jamaican walk, Jamaican talk, Jamaican rock, and Jamaican bop. You understand? We lick about with talawa. Our country different. We no follow back on nobody with nothing. Cause you know what? Make me ask you guys something. One thing. We don't love our country. We don't see the color, the flag. It don't make you guys proud. Hey? All the Olympic coming up. Hey, the Olympic coming up and we want to just wave the flag them high. All over the world, all over. Them just love our Jamaican culture. Jamaica, me say, one and only Jamaica. Me not care what nobody wants to say. Born and bred, me a Jamaican, true and true. Me love my country, nah sell out.
The Jamaican flag, guys, I discovered that it's unique. You know, it is a striking symbol of the national's identity and history. Its design is simple and yet it's powerful, featuring bold colors and meaningful symbolism. The unique aspects of the Jamaican flag include the color, the shapes, that it forms triangular shapes. You realize that there is 2 green triangles and 2 black triangles, and in between there's diagonals of yellow color. So starting with the colors, the flag consists of 3 horizontal stripes, the black, yellow, and green, each holding significant meaning. So starting with the black represents the strength and the creativity of the Jamaican people, as well as the hardship they have overcome over time. Starting from the slave trade, you know, it was so bad. The black people, especially from West Africa, and some, I believe, maybe they were even from East Africa, because there were some people taking DNA tests to prove their origin, and you'll find that there's someone who proved that there's a percentage he was a Kenyan. That is, there are some Jamaican people doing some DNA tests. So the slave trade was very bad. People were bundled into ships and canoes like animals. It was so bad, with chains, and then going to work in the fields of sugarcane fields. So even after that, the Maroons fighting for independence. It was just it was so hard, the hardships. So the black color represents the hardships and the resilience of Jamaicans. The yellow color, guys, represents or symbolizes the golden sunshine and natural wealth of Jamaica, as well as the optimism and hope for the future. The green color represents lush vegetation and agricultural resources of the island, as well as Jamaica's commitment to natural development. Guys, coming over to the second point of the triangular shape, you know the flag features diagonal cross. The cross is the yellow cross or saltire that divides the flag into 4 triangles. This design is unique among the national flags and adds a dynamic element to the flag's appearance. There's one person who was comparing the flag of Jamaica to USA, and it is I saw that the Jamaican flag is very unique, unlike some other flags. It is said that Jamaica, and I think there are very few flags that are unique to the flag of the USA flag. Uh, since like the color red, white color, Jamaica doesn't have that. Over here in Kenya, we have white color, but in Jamaica, there's nothing. It doesn't have white color. So the last thing that is in that flag, and it is like a secret because not so many people know about, is the national symbols. The flag of Jamaica, guys, also incorporates 2 national symbols in the form of diagonal triangles. You know, the diagonal triangles are, as I've said, are yellow in color. The Jamaican national bird, the doctor bird, which is endemic, it's only native to Jamaica and known for its vibrant colors and long tail feathers. I think in some of my previous videos, I shared some of the endemic species and things that are very unique to Jamaica. Like there's that python that has very unique color, yellowish in color, and that bird that is known as the Rasta bird. Also, we have the indigenous palm tree, specifically known as the blue maho, which is known for its distinctive blue-green foliage. Those are the national symbols that is included in the national flag of Jamaica. Thank you guys for watching this video up to this point. It's always a pleasure when you support a brother. Thank you so much. I don't take your efforts for granted. Thank you so much. I'm forever grateful. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you're not, and to my returning subscribers who always come back to watch my videos, I'm grateful. Cheers, see you on my next videos.
Budju have a song that says, no matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. No idea I man have to show. I am a Jamaican. Me have Jamaican walk, Jamaican talk, Jamaican chat, and Jamaican bop. I am a Jamaican. Me have this girl at work, she always talk about why everything you bring Jamaican and you always train for Jamaica, and now you're in America you're supposed to cheer for me. Say I don't have a problem with that. The problem for me is that a Jamaica me come from, a Jamaica me know, and I will continue to cheer for Jamaica in any and everything. I'm sorry, I will not be one of those where we come to America and me throw a stone behind me and forget where we come from. No, I'm not gonna do it, because at the end of the day, when Uncle Sam can throw me out of country, nobody can throw me out of Jamaican. I am a Jamaican.